Save this for the next election campaign. Sanju Verma.
You know, let me educate Tehseen. He's been raving and ranting about the Karnataka model and the Telangana model. This debate is about how communal diatribe is being rationalized, normalized in Congress-ruled governments via reading of Kalma and a whole host of other things. But Tehseen, since you mentioned about education, very quickly in 5 seconds, let me tell you, I just did some check. And I found that more than 141,000 schools in Karnataka, both public and private schools, either don't have a principal or a vice principal, and more than 76,000 schools in Telangana don't have a principal or a vice principal. मतलब ये सारे स्कूल और जो तेलंगाना और कर्नाटका में है, ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा, ये किसके भरोसे चल रहे हैं. But let me come to the moot point. भारत माता की जय नहीं कहना है because it has reference to a goddess. Yoga is communal. Surya Namaskar is communal. Vande Mataram is communal. For the longest time, 6 stanzas were not sung. Why? Because it has references to goddess Durga. But गुस्ताखे रसूल की एक ही सजा, सरपंच से जुदा, सरपंच से जुदा. कोई ये बोले और बीजेपी के लोग उसे कंडेम करें. We are described as being communal, divisive, fractious, polarizing, so on and so forth. So let me just say one thing. The biggest example of Congress facilitating pseudo-secularism, facilitating Hindu phobia is the fact that the Congress has repeatedly protested against CAA. The Congress has repeatedly protested against the Waqf Amendment Act. The Congress has repeatedly protested against Uniform Civil Code. And the Congress went in 2007 filing an affidavit in the Supreme Court saying Prabhu Ram is a figment of imagination of Hindus. Prabhu Ram does not exist.
Let me bring in Syed Asad Abbas and Atitur Rahman in that order. Mr. Abbas, if yoga is majoritarian politics, as people call it, how would you describe this? Just stick to this. Answer this question.
I will answer, Pranesh. Pranesh, let me put this on record. I was on a debate with you on your 8 p.m. primetime show on Times Now, where I said I love yoga, my father practices yoga and my mom, and there are great health benefits of yoga, and nobody should have a problem with yoga. Also, Sanju Verma ji, kaan khade kar lijiye, Bharat Mata ki jai, till I die, Vande Mataram, yoga zindabad. Now coming to the point, Tushar bhai, Sanju, my favorite spokesperson
No, but
on
Mr.
the face
Abbas,
of
1 minute. Since you're talking about Vande Mataram, many in the Congress, including chief ministers, have a problem with Vande Mataram.
For that, my friend Tehseen Poonawalla, one of the best spokesperson who can defend Congress, he will
Why
defend.
can't you defend?
I will tell you.
No, no, 1 minute. Tehseen अकेले पड़ गए आज. Mr. Abbas, help him.
तहसीन एक अकेला पूरे पैनल के लिए काफी है.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. That's okay. I want to hear from you. Either you defend the Congress or call out the Congress.
Now let me defend the Congress and tell you where was Tushar Gupta and Sanju Behan when lakhs of students are reading.
वो सब ठीक है उसमें. No, 1 minute. Syed Asad Abbas. No, 1 minute. You were waxing eloquent about, how secular, you have a secular outlook, etc. You have no problems with Vande Mataram. Then let's call out people who have a problem with Vande Mataram. I salute you for saying that you have no problems with Vande Mataram. My respect to you. Let's call out those who have a problem, who say, उसको 3 पैरा हटा दीजिए, 2 हटा दीजिए, 3 हटा दीजिए. क्या है?
Pranesh, if my friend Sanju Verma and Tushar Gupta ever went to a convent school, they would know our Father who art in heaven refers to Jesus Christ. And
I'm asking you about Vande Mataram. Now you are talking about Vande Mataram. अभी क्या हो गया, Mr. Abbas? Why is it so uncomfortable to talk about Vande Mataram? Say anyone who thinks Vande Mataram is communal or anti one religion is doing a disservice. Why can't you say that?
I will answer on Vande Mataram. Those who have problem with Vande Mataram, please read Vande Mataram, which means praise to the Mother India. I love Vande Mataram. I don't think anybody should have a problem.
You have a problem with Vande Mataram?
Pranesh, I think the perpetrators of this episode have won. One second-class student was given.
Sir, this is not about second class, third class. 1 minute. I am asking you a first class question. You answer this. You have a problem with Vande Mataram?
Hey, John, welcome to the Islamic State of Hindustan. BJP spokesperson reading 6 kalimas.
Yeah, there you go. So never say that BJP is intolerant. There you go. Every time you say, these people will put this clip. She has no problems doing it. Atikur Rahman, but you know, jokes aside, Mr. Rahman, you just heard Syed Asad Abbas. Asad Abbas is, you know, no less bright than Tehseen Poonawala. But do you have a problem with Vande Mataram, Mr. Atikur Rahman?
No, never, never, never.
Those who
Even
have
I
a problem
stand
with Vande Mataram, who think Vande Mataram is communal, anti-Islam, etc., what would you tell them?
Sing it. Abul Kalam Azad used to sing it. He was the foremost Islamic leader.
I know, but what would you tell people who have a problem with this?
Correct themselves. Immediately they should correct themselves.
Tehseen,